I've personally used the PAX device for nearly a decade. It's my daily driver, reliable, discreet, and flavorful. But the new PAX Flow? It's a completely different beast. It's been over 2 years since PAX dropped the Mini and the Plus, and the Flow doesn't just tweak the formula, it pretty much rewrites it. So is it better, worse, or just different? Let's find out. The Flow looks familiar, but it's larger and heavier than previous versions. The new oven holds up to 0.3 grams. That's more than the Mini and less than the Plus, and is all powered by a new hybrid heating system. It heats up quickly and features 5 settings, including a bong mode for water pipe users. With a redesigned vapor path, the airflow has been boosted 6-fold over the previous PAX lineup, a big shift away from the classic tight MTL-style hit. Charging is via USB-C with an optional dock, and is blazing fast. There's also a new side-mounted oven door, and the classic single-button interface. It's premium, sleek, and feels every bit like a PAX, but clearly, there are some big changes here. Press the circle on the side to open the oven lid. Load some medium grind flour, tamp gently, and snap the lid back on. Long press the button to power on. Short press to cycle through the temperatures. To access bong mode, just cycle through the settings 3 times. If you want to check the battery level, just give it a shake. The Flow performs nothing like any PAX before it. The draw is extremely loose, catering to direct lung hits and bong vapors. The vapor itself is less dense than the Plus, due to the increased airflow and less conduction. Also, because of the hybrid heating system, the flavor drop-off curve is much steeper. In bong mode, the flavor is arguably worse, as it requires high levels of heat. And unfortunately, the regular modes won't suffice, as the vapor output and density are lacking. And yeah, the device does get very hot, especially in bong mode. PAX has already acknowledged this, and will be including silicone sleeves for a limited time. While it's still warm, pop off the mouthpiece, scrape out the oven, and wipe down the oven and vapor path with a cotton swab dipped in ISO. Soak the small parts, like the mouthpiece and screen, in ISO, then rinse and dry. Lastly, run a 1-minute burn-off session on max heat. Do this every 15 to 20 sessions, and the Flow should stay running like new. The battery is 3000 mAh, which is a little less than the Plus. But with its more power-hungry system, you'll get around 6 to 10 sessions per charge, depending on the temperature and duration. That said, the recharge speed makes up for it, from 0 to full in under 40 minutes with the included USB-C PD cable, or about 90 minutes on the standard USB-C. Let's break it down. It heats up fast, and it charges fast. USB-C and charging dock options. Convection dominant heating for efficient extraction. Extra heat mode caters to bong vaping. 2 mouthpieces included. Solid build quality and flavor. Pocketable and compact. Less runtime than older PAX models. The flavor drops off faster than expected. Low vapor density and volume. It gets hot during extended use. The oven lid requires frequent wiping. It's expensive. The Flow is like a PAX from an alternate universe. It looks like a PAX, but it's bigger, heavier, and offers a different experience. Although I expected improved flavor with the addition of convection heating, that wasn't the case. It lacks many of the qualities that made PAX my daily driver for years. I can't get the same dense clouds through a water pipe using the lowest heat setting like I do with my Plus. The flavor also drops off quicker, and the device can get piping hot. It's a respectable effort though. The Flow has solid flavor, fast charging, efficient extraction, and excellent build quality. But I would have preferred some improvements on the Plus, rather than this new direction. Still, PAX appears to have left space between the Flow and the all-new Mini. I hope more products are coming soon.